Welcome back, boys and girls. And today was a big test for my wife. Now, as you've seen it, she's really enjoying shooting guns and competing with me. And she's really getting a lot better at it. For now, I really wanted her to try something new. Instead of shooting semi-automatic, going bang, 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 I wanted her to try the cowboy shooting or cowgirl shooting. That involves single action revolver, lever action rifle, and 20 gauge shotgun. At first, she was having a little bit hard time with the single action revolver, loading it, unloading it, aiming and cocking with non-dominant hand, and shooting a target without the red dot wasn't easy for her. Same thing with the lever action. She was getting a little confused with her 3 fingers, running the lever action, and actually clicking it all the way so that it would go bang. And between those two guns, she practiced over 200 rounds, and she was getting pretty good at it. But my biggest concern was 20 gauge shotgun, because I didn't even give her a recoil pad because of the length of the shotgun. And again, she's a small lady, only weighs 92 pounds. So I told myself whether she's gonna like it or she's gonna hate it. But on the first big bang, she had a big smile on her face and told me this is great. And she told me this is a stress reliever. And she wanted to keep on shooting. She shot over 20 rounds and told me this is a whole lot of fun. And it was easy to aim, and it was easy to hit the target. She practiced so much that day, we barely had enough ammunition to have our competition. As for the competition, with the revolver, I had to hit 4 steel targets, where my wife only had to hit 3 targets, leaving the small one out. And with the lever action, I had to hit all 5 steel targets, and she only had to hit 4. And as for the shotgun, I had to hit both milk jug, and she only had to hit 1. So that was a little bit of a handicap, but she did very well. Honestly, if we had more ammunition and time to practice, I might not even have to give her a handicap. Take a look. You ready? Stand by. Go. Stop.
32.69.
Okay, that was 32.69 seconds. Shooter ready?
Ready?
Stand by. Go. Miss. Miss. Hit. Hit. Miss. Hit. Good. Hit, hit, miss, hit, hit, action open. 한번 당겨봐. Good job, girl. 4801. You ready?
Ready?
Stand by. Go. Miss. Hit. 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 Hit.
아이고.
Hit, 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 action open. Hit. Oh, 37.42 seconds. You ready? Ready? Stand by, go.
$31.98.
31.98. Yes. We had a whole lot of fun, and honestly, I never thought there would be a day that I would actually enjoy shooting and competing with my wife. But our dreamland has made my dream come true. And lastly, like always, thank God for what you have, enjoy life with what you got, but mostly spend some quality time with your beautiful wife. See ya.